Hi guys, probably you saw this positive potato trend. It's all over the internet and this is so easy to make, and this is really makes the best present. Could be the best Christmas present, the best present, and I really think that you should make it. It's not very difficult to make, I will show you, and we can make it literally in half an hour. Okay, I'm using baby yarn, all the brand, 95 meters 100 gram, and 5.5 mm crochet hook. I will start with magic circle or magic loop. If you don't know how to do it, watch me out or make chain 2. Then I'm making 7 single crochets in magic loop or magic circle, and you will be making 7 single crochet in the first chain stitch. I put stitch marker in the first stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then you pull the tail, and this is it for round 1. If you've got yarn art plush yarn, be careful with it because it will snap. So go with chain 2. For round 2, I'm going to increase in every stitch, 2 single crochet in the first chain stitch, put stitch marker in the first stitch, 2 single crochets in the second stitch, and keep going, 2 single crochets in each stitch. Very basic pattern. First we start making a circle, and then we will just keep going down. By the end of this round you would have 14 stitches. We will make arms together with the body, so it will not be any sewing parts involved. So pretty easy. And we will make a little increase to make a belly. Check your stitches. I prefer to run my thumb through those stitches and you will feel them, because you can't really see them, but you can feel them. Kind of sensory exercise. Third round, 1 single crochet in each stitch, one single crochet in the second stitch, 1 single crochet in the third stitch, and keep going around. Fourteen single crochets in this round as well. Round 4 and 5, just repeat this round, 1 single crochet in each stitch. I will pause the camera. You please pause the camera, make 2 more rounds of 1 single crochet in each stitch, and then we will continue together. There you go, 5 rounds. And for round 6 we will start making arms. Chain 4, then start with the second chain stitch, make 3 single crochets. I know you can't see the stitches, and so do I, so just feel it. Then 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and that will be your first stitch of this round. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, so it makes 2. Then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. I'm making increase for the little belly for potato, and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Then 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then second arm, chain 4, and 3 single crochets. Start with the second chain stitch. Find your next stitch and keep going with 1 single crochet in each stitch to finish this round. It should have 8 single crochets. I've made 2 increases, so in total it would give me 16 stitches. If you can't see the stitches, you just pull it, right, and you will see that there's this little stitch that you're after. You kind of avoid this chain, the arm, so it was your last stitch, and this is your first stitch of this round. Don't forget your stitch marker. And now you should have 16 single crochets. Sometimes when you cannot see and you are confused with the stitch, you just feel it. You will feel the ridges between the stitches, or you just pull them. So this was your last stitch, and this is your next one. But even if you make your stitch count slightly wrong, 1-2 stitches, that will be just alright. I know children that they do crochet, they don't really count the stitches, they just keep the shape and keep going with it, and that's totally fine. We just want to keep the shape of potato. And even if the shape is slightly wonky, so you know that lots of potatoes, they are wonky, so and that's fine. There you go, this was round 7, I believe. This is round 8, 1 single crochet in each stitch. And you should still have 16 single crochets. This yarn is very fluffy, but it is good I like about this yarn that it doesn't fray too much. I've tried other brands, and I think this is the best for me so far. It is affordable and it is a reasonable good quality. I have to admit, maybe I didn't try the most expensive brands, but this is just good. If you've got all year round, they do sell this type of yarn every so often on the yarn event, and I'm really happy to stock my shelves with this yarn. Lots of different colors. Maybe one year it will be this colors and another year it will be different color, but it is very good, especially if you're a beginner. There you go, and this is the body. Let's find eyes. I've got safety eyes 8 millimeters, and I will insert it somewhere in the round 4. But you can position eyes maybe different places where you will find it better. I like it like that. If you crochet your positive potato with my pattern, please tag me Hobbi Crochet. I've got Instagram page, and I will see your creations. Safety cup. And this is it. Next round it will be round of decreases. I will show you how to make invisible decrease in amigurumi. We will insert stuffing and finish it off. So this is the last round where it will be 8 decreases. Watch me do an increase. Insert your hook in the middle of the stitch, picking the front loop only, and then front loop of the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through, 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through, like you would make a normal single crochet, but 2 loops will be from the stitches next to each other. So you are making 1 single crochet out of 2. You had 2 stitches, now you've got 1 stitch. So you had 16 stitches, and now you're gonna have only 8 stitches. And then I will show you how to finish this amigurumi, how to finish those last 8 stitches. If you don't know, if you are new, it is a different technique how to finish this opening. Before finishing it, don't forget to insert some stuffing. Any stuffing will do. You've got polyfill or whatever, anything, toy stuffing. I remember when I just started, I just used stuffing from my pillow. If you see my previous video, my first videos, yes, I didn't buy stuffing, or I was waiting for stuffing, so I just used some stuff from my pillow. Yeah. That was time when I just started. Please check my first videos. I've got lots of videos, lots of amigurumis I have made. I continue making decrease. Two more decreases and potato will be done. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Give me thumbs up, maybe a comment. What do you think about this pattern? Hope it will be something positive. I know lots of people gives me negative because they can't see stitches, but so do I, guys. If you don't know how to work with this type of yarn, just use different yarn. I know it takes some practice, but once you get used to this yarn, it's really easy. And be positive, be kind to each other, guys. Hope we'll make lots of those positive potatoes, because it is positive potato, it is something encouraging. This is how we finish this opening. You just insert the hook in the middle of the stitch and pull the end through. You weave in all the ends and then you pull. This is like inverted magic loop or magic circle. So there you go. Be careful with your yarn, what type of yarn you are using, that it does not snap. Maybe if your yarn is more fragile, you may need to use a different technique, but I like my yarn. This really holds very well. There you go, and then you just tuck the end. A very good looking potato you've got there, with a little bit of belly. And all you need to do, just edit a sign and your best Christmas present is done.